viewers, IAS Academy. In this video, we'll look at some of the current affairs videos as we have posted in our YouTube channel, and that was regarding the daily current affairs only. So we will see how we can make use of all this daily current affairs and compile at the end of the month and make use of single fact that could be important for UPSC prelims as well as mains. So having this integrated approach of handling all the current affairs in a categorized manner, that is, for example, so to access all this current affairs and to categorize them into a separate thing, you want consistency. So we believersis.com. So whenever you search believersis.com, you could go to our website, and this video could be an introductory video or an explanatory video how you can access the daily current affairs. So in this current affairs section, when you go to all the daily current affairs are available, the video lectures, the editorials, the Yojana magazine, the RSTV, LSTV summaries and important news articles are daily posted in this portal. So that is how you can be consistent with the current affairs. So we'll see an instant of how this daily current affairs are going about, and we'll see the examples of that also. So this is the portal which I was talking about, and we have all the current affairs dated today's date February 11, 10, 9. You get all the current affairs from the without missing Sundays also, and that too, it's a content of all. It is a compilation of all the Hindu newspaper, Indian Express, Explained, and the PIB analysis also. So that is how you can make use of believersis.com website for your daily current affairs knowledge, and you can access the website in a very easier manner. And for instance, if you have to access yesterday's daily current affairs, you can just click on it. You get to see the news as you have seen in the Hindu newspaper dated February 10, 2021. You would just see an article of SC giving relief to Shashi Tharoor and the other related persons. So that was the news. So how do you know what to get from the UPSC, how to categorize them into UPSC? See, that portion is important. But does the political news important for us? Does the names of the people are important for us? See, that is how when you are starting your preparation, you will be in a dilemma. So that dilemma is cleared with our daily current affairs and the explanation. So as you can see here, we have given the name as sedition law. So mainly, basically, the article was talking about the sedition terms, how they are put into prisons, put into bars, and how sedition law works in India. So you'll get the context, you'll get the pictures also, and the important sections are explained, how Supreme Court observations are there, relevance of sedition law, why sedition law should be repealed, reforms needed in the Indian Penal Code, as you can look at here. Then what are the committee's recommendation for such sedition law? So when you look at such current affairs, what do you feel? Don't it look like a mains answer? That is how you have to structure your current affairs in a mains answer manner. So I keep reiterating to my students is that whenever you start reading something, make up in your mind that you would categorize them into introduction, body and conclusion, or the way forward, such that every time, see, whenever I get a news of section 124A, I will make it as an example. And your brain also starts working in such way. See, after prelims, it is our responsibility to gather the information under the sun. That is how mains is working, and you have only 2 to 3 months for the preparation. Do you think it is possible to give your innovativeness and the exam, that too, the answer should be in 7 to 8 minutes? What is the solution and what is the remedy for all such all such tremendous horrible condition? That is just following the daily current affairs. For all this problem and for all these queries, I would suggest daily current affairs. When you work on a daily basis and answer the daily mains answers also, you will get into that pace and you will not be burdened with the data or the facts for the months or the preparation after the prelims. So that is how we are coming up with a video for the introduction of the daily currents. As we received many queries from the students how to handle mains and prelims in a balanced way, so we found a solution, that is going through our daily current affairs website. You can actually note down this in a book as a mains answer. Whenever you get the point of study, your notes, or you can store it in the Evernote as such and make a point on it. So that is how the evaluation or the introduction body conclusion should be there in the answer. And giving such examples of the committees would be a very upper hand from our side in our answers. So this was about this daily current affairs. See, the Special Marriage Act, how the Section 4, Section 5 is defining. Then observation made by Allahabad Court. So this is a recent current updation. So current updation is required. See, whenever a question arises for the fundamental rights, so you give the basic idea and you have to update with the current affairs also, know which for fundamental rights were in use, right to freedom, right to life. So that is how the structuring of the answer should be done. And to structure or to remember things, subscribing to a daily current affairs could really help you and be consistent with your data. So, and see, the Lokpal and the Lokayukta, you will get the hashtags also. You can easily recognize that it could be a quasi-judicial body, and you at that moment only, when you are studying only, you will get to know how it is related to the top UPSC syllabus. So that is how daily current website should be used. The G7, what is India and G7 summit doing? Analysis is given. Then government to clarify ED, Econ. So these are the very important topics, and that too, the current affairs which we are providing in our website is very crisp and concise, and not all the articles of the Indian Hindu newspaper are printed, because we know there are some concepts of Hindu which could be reflected in our exams. So we are very exam oriented people, and we suggest the students to know what to read and what not to read. We want what, why and how, not that we want everything. So that is how we concise, crisp the elements for exam. Then at last we have the PIB analysis of that day also. So that would be mainly moving around or running around the prelims facts itself. The speciality seal and the PLI schemes which it was talking, vocals for locals, and the Atmanirbhar Bharat. There are many articles regarding that, and even the coal sectors, there are many articles. So that is how PIB could be used as a prominent source for the prelims resources. Then assistance under component schemes of PMKSY. So this is how you can use daily currents of believersis.com for your consistency and for your proper note making of current affairs. So I hope this introduction and this explanatory video could open your eyes and make your current affairs portion a very easygoing. So that is the main aim, such that the current affairs part, how the UPSC aspirants nowadays are feeling very tremendously difficult to cover them, handle them. I guess believersis.com could be a very helping hand in that. So that was about the explanatory video, and you have other editorial analysis also. Editorial analysis, daily editorial analysis. All the editorials are analyzed and given in a very deep explanatory manner. How the councils, how, what, why, and how, and what are the recent solutions, what are the unique solutions given for that. So all these elements are See, the possible solutions are also given such that you don't have to refer any other sources to analyze the parts also. Positives and negatives are given in a very means answer format. So that is the main thing which I am reiterating from the first of my video, is that referring to our current affairs would not make you a difficult part in referring the current affairs again and again. You would get every information in a single go. So that was the main aim of making this explanatory or a introduction video for the website. And I guess this is a very informative and interactive, and I hope people would love to subscribe to our current affairs and the YouTube channel for the videos and many such introduction. And we have all the courses, test series, downloads, all the subject wise question papers, everything is available in the website. You don't have to worry about anything. Just log on to the website and exploit the website, use the website for the 100% use. So that becomes the ending of my video, and I hope this video would help you in accessing our daily current affairs. And thank you. Welcome.